Friendship Day is literally here and you forgot a gift, but don't panic because I got you. So, welcome back to the Aesthetic Sketchbook, your go to space for all things artsy, last minute, and aesthetic overload. Today, I'm going to show you 3 last minute but aesthetic, totally aesthetic gift ideas that you can actually make in time. Each one's gonna be a different vibe, so there's something for every kind of bestie. Let's dive into cuteness, shall we? Me and my friends used to celebrate Friendship Day by giving these friendship bands. You can see. खराब ही हो गया. These friendship bands and rings and whatnot, ribbon and all that. But this year I thought of making something that will stay with them forever if they keep it nicely. And ये वीडियो वो भी होने वाला है लास्ट मिनट फ्रेंडशिप डे गिफ्ट्स. तो इस बार कोई ब्रेसलेट वगैरह नहीं बना रहे. इस बार वी आर गोइंग टू मेक some gifts for our friends. So today I will be showing 3 easy gifts that you can make for your best friends. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So first gift is we are going to make a Spotify gift card. So it's very easy. You need to take a thick sheet of paper. Draw accordingly and cut this out. इसके dimensions है 8.5 centimeter and 13.5 centimeter. Draw a rectangle in this of length 5.5 centimeter and breadth 7 centimeter. Then draw a heart shape like this. Now look at this carefully. यहाँ पे I have made 18 dots. So we're gonna poke holes in these dots. I just realized that I made 16 these holes. So we got 32 in total. You gotta number them like this, like 1. I'll show you it. 1, 2, 3 is 4 here, and 5 is 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and like this. Just because it will be easy for you to pass using these threads. Now we'll start by number 1 from the back side. We'll go here all the way. Then 3. Pass this to 4. Then 5. Oh no. Like this I'll complete, and then I'll finally just put a knot in this at the last place when you complete everything. This is how it looks like. Colored this completely. Using this white this is like the jelly roll pen to make little stars. Now what to do is write the song which you wanna give to a friend. So I have written this song, We Fell in Love in October. It's by Girl in Red. And I suggest you all to listen to this song, as it's a very cute song. And yes, I would dedicate this song to my best friend. Now I'll write this with black pen. This is how it turned out. I love how it turned out. आपको चाहिए तो पीछे एक और paper you can stick. The only difficult part here was this, but it was not so difficult. But pulling the strings and all that, bit tricky, but not difficult. And ये आप लोग सिर्फ friendship day पे नहीं, you can make this with any song you like. Like for this song, this is my favorite part of lyrics, so I've used these lyrics. You can use any other song you want. So let's move on to the next gift. It's also very cute. It's for that one friend who loves to read and has read many books. So to help her remember where she read last time, we are going to make a cute little bookmark, but not a basic bookmark. It's going to be a butterfly bookmark. And this is ये वाला भी बहुत viral हुआ था, this butterfly bookmark. And also the one that we made before, it also had gone viral on the internet. So now we'll start by making the butterfly bookmark. Draw accordingly. We need to make the same over here, but I'll show you easy trick because even I know that we can't replicate this here. So that I'll show you a trick. Now what you do is just simply take this here, fold this and redraw this shape on this side. So this is how it will look like. Now we'll start by the coloring. I'm using this powder pink color. Draw a pattern like this on both the sides. Now leaving these parts, ये और ये सब, we gonna color the background black. When this is ready, इसको बीच में से fold करना है, and our bookmark is ready. I'll use this to just like. Now how to use this? ये normal bookmark से बहुत अलग है. So take your book. I'm just opening a page. I'm gonna put it like this in the book. Close the book. And ta-da! Your cute little butterfly bookmark is ready. This was the second gift. Now moving on to the third. So the last gift that we will be making is also very cute. So today, the final gift that we are creating for our bestie is a cute little tulip flower. Very viral. So what I have is a 10 by 10 centimeter ka square. So first of all, start by the folding. I'll show you. If you did these 4 steps correctly, you would be having this. Now second. So it will look something like this after all the folding. Now we got to cut this part. Should I show it? Just one square. This, fold this inside. Can you see these lines? Can you see this box? Just fold it in. Now glue these highlighted parts. Now put this together like this. Now you got to do, because this is out, right? You got to put this in. Like this. If your shape turns out like this, then you have successfully made the upper part. Make a stick like this using rectangular green colored paper. अभी मैं आपको बताती हूँ क्या हुआ. I didn't have green color paper available at my home. So I simply painted white sheet with green color. तो इसके लिए ऐसे बाहर आ रहा है green color. But don't worry, it's also fine. Cut it like this. Glue these. Now I'll finally make leaves. I'll paint this. And just like that, you're all set with 3 cute little gift ideas your bestie is definitely gonna love. Tell me in the comment section which one was your favorite. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more of such artsy, aesthetic, last minute cute gift ideas. And hey, happy Friendship Day, Soul Twin! This is for you. So see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, be creative and toodles!